spin.
50K for a show when my niggas selling swag. See a red bottom bitch Versace shirt, Birkin bag. I'ma get money, nigga, don't use a card or be protect. Before I leave my fucking house, grab my pistol in my bag. Thumbing through the bands, I be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I be playing with a check. Squad.
Alright, man, what's happening, y'all? I'm back with y'all with another video. So today, got a few things going down. Right now, I'm at Dunkin' Donuts trying to get me some breakfast. Sausage and cheese croissant, hash browns, a latte. Headed to this wrestling tournament. We just started kind of recording for a wrestling team out here. One of my buddies asked me to do that, help him out with that and stuff. Something, you know, small for the kids so they can get videos for recruiting and stuff like that. But after that, today I'm going to be doing a little exhaust work on the car. I don't really know what to do, but we'll figure it out. It's just going to be a cat swap. Another Hellcat that hang out with every once in a while. He wants my stock cats, and I'm going to be swapping him for his stock gutted cats. Not really sure if that's really going to help with horsepower or anything like that, but I know it reduces restriction in the exhaust and stuff like that. Nothing too major, but that's gonna be later on this afternoon. I got my windows down, so sorry for the glare or the noise you hear outside, but yeah, man, these past few weeks or so has been kind of crazy. Not really in the Christian spirit anymore, due to family reasons and stuff like that. But you know, nonetheless, I'm trying to keep the video going and stuff like that. So if at times you see me and I just seem like I'm kind of out of it, that's probably why. I got a lot on my mind. But regardless, you know, good thing I'm in the car, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes if I'm having a long day or I got a lot on my mind, just jump in the car and go for a drive, you know what I mean? It kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. It's part of life. Deal with it, you go through it, and you know, this is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm up here at Dunkin', about to grab my food here in a second, and yeah, get on with my day. I don't want to curb my rim. Fucking sore, man. I've been trying to get back in I've been trying to get back in the gym and shit and get right. Birthday's gonna be here in about 4 months, so I don't want to be looking like no slob or no pig, you know what I'm saying? So thank you. Alright, so I'm back. Like I was saying earlier, I had to go to the wrestling match, get some film. When I got a phone call and I wasn't able to get back and record before I got there, trying to eat, drive, talking on the phone all at the same time. It's kind of a bit much. But I just left the wrestling match, you know, trying to get some film for the kids and stuff. You know, I can't say no to the kids. I try to do what I can to help them. But yeah, now I'm headed to try and get these cats put on the car. Like I said before, I've never done it before. I heard it's just unbolt, bolt back on, whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get that done here in a little bit. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and relax for a minute, and yeah, try to get ready for the night, because tonight we got the meetup as always, Saturday night. Y'all know how we do out here. And then we have cars and coffee in the morning. So me and some of the homies are going to go to the meet, have a little fun, do what we normally do. We're gonna try and go down to the beach, watch the sunrise, and then go to cars and coffee in the morning. So yeah, it's a bit of a busy day, but I kind of need that right now, so I'm not complaining one bit. Yeah, I don't know. Some of y'all might be able to comment and let me know. When you gut your cats, do you need like non-fouls or whatever so you don't get a check engine light? I've seen that done on a YouTube video before. Not really sure if that really works. Is that like a temporary fix until I get a tune or whatever? Like, someone might let me know. I've been doing research, but I haven't really found a whole lot. So yeah, if somebody can let me know, that would be fucking great. But yeah, so like I said, I'll catch up with y'all whenever I get to the homie's house where we're gonna do these cats, and then I'll get back with y'all. Alright, let's get this party started, boys. The other Hellcats here with the exhaust. I got mine over there. About to get this party started. Let's see what we got up in this bitch. Fucking bag Hellcat right here.
Stop.
Yeah, it's stuck.
I can't be uncle.
Easier this way. Like in the wrong way. I get a better angle. Sure. At least they don't make this one tight. If they do that on purpose. It's not moving.
Yeah, it's not. It's just bending it.
I mean, you can take it off this way, but
The O2 sensor's still on, yeah. Can't take it off. I don't know how to get that bracket out.
it should be fine. I took the cat off and then I took the O2 sensor off
Okay.
after. I just don't wanna. Oh, let me try and take this one off. Let me try at least taking one off.
Alright, we're about to start this with no cats on. Oh shit, it's about to be loud as fuck. Alright. Well, that's a header dump. Technically.
Where's your tool? I don't have it. It's in my task place. I don't want to round it.
Damn, Rob, you freaking are rounding it.
That's why. I don't want to keep rounding it. Do you have a kerosene? The bigger one? I mean, regular wrench? What size is that? 5/8, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you have one over there?
I don't know.
I'm trying to avoid rounding this thing out. But stock cats, the gutted cats. This one. Oh, it's getting harder. Oh, now it's getting harder both ways. There we go. Work it out, baby.
What does that mean? That was the threads, right?
Yeah.
keep working it. That's what's around it. Look. Fucking washer keeps getting stuck. This is the old one?
That's the one that was on his car.
Ooh. Your thread is fucked up.
Alright, I finally got the cats on. Let's see. I'm not recording for me.
Might just turn it off.
We got the gutted cats on the car. We do have spacers on them, so I may or may not run into an issue with the check engine light. There is a little bit of a difference in the sound. I don't know if y'all can really hear me because of the wind or not, but I'll do a little pull here in a second so y'all can hear it. Oh, check engine light just came on, but oh well. I kind of expected the check engine light to come on anyway. I'm not really pressed about it right now. Track mode, so this is as loud as it's going to get. So spinning from a 40, but fuck it, you know what I mean? It is what it is. I need new tires anyway. If y'all see my tires, they're a fucking ball, like bald. My homie got fucking Hoosiers on there, on his car, and he got more tread than I got. different. Nothing too crazy. To me, it might be a little louder, if anything, but it's not anything like spectacular. You know what I mean? At least idling, you can tell it's a little difference, but the tone is a little different. But I'm gonna do some revs here in a second. Now that little project is done, we can move on to bigger and better things now. In the future, I do want to go with the JBA or Texas Speed long tube headers with the catless mid pipes. That should really wake up the car. This is something I did that really helped out a buddy. He has a 2017 Hellcat, a black one, and he's trying to sell his, so he wanted to go back to the stock caps, not gutted. He asked if I wanted to trade, and I was like, yeah, I'll trade. So that's what we did. I had to think about it for a minute, but I was like, well, since he's trying to sell it, I help him out. I know I'm gonna go catless at some point, so I'm gonna be upgrading anyway. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do to the car, and that's what I did. I mean, it's a little bit of a difference, nothing crazy. I like it, especially getting on it. I don't know if you guys can notice a little bit, but it sounds, to me, it sounds pretty badass. It sounded good before, but you know what I mean? Of course, there is a check engine light. Did it go away? No, the check engine light's right there. So of course that's for the cats or whatever. But yeah, so now go back over to the homie's crib, and we're gonna get ready for the night and for tomorrow. I need to wash this thing, but I will see. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all, enjoying the video. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe to the channel, share it. And there's Grey Ghost behind me. Don't mind the passenger side headlight. I know it's out. I'm working on that. I think I need a new ballast, those are new bulbs. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching the channel, watching the video. This is just like a little insight on what the car will sound like with, the stock cats gutted and shit like that. Nothing too crazy. But I'm about to fucking head over to the homie's crib. About to get ready for the night, and then hopefully I can get some footage from tonight, and then cars and coffee tomorrow. If not, it's only because of weather, but you gotta do what I gotta do. But like I said, stock gutted cats, mid-muffler lead. This is what the car sounds like. It sounds a little more beefier. I like it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too noticeable, but every little bit counts. But like I said, appreciate y'all watching the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.